Alright, this is a quick Camtasia video to show a little bit about how I use Camtasia. And let me start. I usually just run the Camtasia recorder, which pops up a window. And of course, because I'm recording right now, it's going to show a little bit different. But this allows you to choose the screen dimension that you're going to record, as well as the audio device. I'm using a Logitech USB headset. Just about any headset will do, and you can also use the laptop mic. Usually doesn't sound quite as good, but you can set the audio levels and all that. I'm going to bring that back down. You can also launch Camtasia Studio and actually record the screen or record PowerPoint from within there. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep talking. Once I've created a video, what I usually do is go, of course I can't do that without bringing something in. Let me bring in a studio project. This was a recording I made of an RStudio session. So usually what I do once I have recorded something, I simply bring it up in do the produce, and you can just click share to YouTube. Actually, what it asks you for is your YouTube account information, and then you click next. Let's see what it's going to do if it does that. It asks for a title for YouTube, a description, tags that you want to use, and the category, whether it's public or private. I usually have now just defaulted to public. But then once you click finish, it renders the video directly to your YouTube account, and once you've done that, it'll actually usually, I think it launches directly to YouTube. You can then make any edits to the information that are fields displayed in YouTube, and once it's rendered on YouTube, then you can just grab the share link and put that in your Sakai site or send it directly to your students, or however you want to do it. Let's see if I can get into my YouTube account here. Let's bring this up. Let's go in here. Playlists. So what I've done is I've created a playlist. This is my channel. And here is the... So I've created a playlist with introduction to statistics supplementary videos. I've got a little title, and then I have a total of 25 videos here. That so you can actually give the link to the playlist. If you go back to the playlist here, let's see how I do this. I guess I can go back in here. Oh, it's this link right here, I guess. You can just give that link, or oh, here it is. This is what I'm looking for. This is the place where you can get the link, so you can just grab this link, copy it, and then paste it wherever, and it'll bring anybody to this actual page so you can see what you're doing. But really, I mean, fundamentally, I think the easiest way is to just record the screen. I can talk a little bit about recording PowerPoint, but I mean, what I recommend doing is doing a quick video to check that the audio is working correctly, and that the volume of the audio seems appropriate, and then go ahead, plan out the video. I usually spend a fair amount of time kind of scripting exactly how I'm going to do and what I'm going to do, and then I go ahead, start the video all screen. And usually what it does is you can eliminate the taskbar. I have a permanent taskbar down here that I like keeping there. I don't like dropping it out. But you can get these dimensions so it leaves your taskbar, because you're not seeing the taskbar because the recording dimensions don't include it. But anyhow, and then once it's done, it'll launch the editor, and then you basically just go right into share to YouTube, and you can upload it. There are other sharing options, and happy to talk more about those at some point. But just the basics. I can demonstrate. I've done other stuff. Maybe I'll send you some links to some other videos I've done where I've done special effects and transitions between things and put titles on the screen and things of that nature, and more advanced things. But the basic, just recording the screen for doing a narrated PowerPoint or software demonstration, is fairly straightforward.